I compare myself with my friends who are successful more than me. So I compare and then I feel okay. What can I say in front of them, or I try to avoid.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
I compare myself with my friends who are successful more than me. So I compare and then I feel okay. What can I say in front of them, or I try to avoid.
And doesn't this always happen whenever you go inside a room, like you feel that inferior feeling? You
Yes.
think that plays out?
Yes.
Right. How is that impacting your career right now?
Yes, I'm actually I'm trying hard, but I'm not getting that. I don't know how can I achieve that.
Can I share with you why it's happening?
Yes.
So imagine you had a CD player at your home, right?
Yes.
Maybe many years ago. We don't need CD now. Like anybody has CD at their home now, like we'll call you dinosaur in there. So if you have had a CD player, imagine you're playing some Rafi music. My father has been a very Rafi fan all the time. Always, me too. And imagine now I want to play another CD with the Kishore Kumar songs. What do I need to do, step by step?
If I had a CD player and now if I have to play.
No, so CD is going on, Rafi's music is going on. Now I have a Kishore Kumar CD as well.
Okay.
How do I play this CD inside that? What do I open, what do I do, what's the process?
First I stop
Stop it.
the CD which is being played. Then I remove that.
Remove what?
The present
The present CD. Okay.
Then I'll put the new CD inside it.
What happens if on the top of the Rafi CD I forcibly enter the Kishore Kumar CD? Any song will play?
No.
Right.
That will crash that CD play.
That's mindset, brother.
Yeah.
That's mindset. Right now what's happening is with your internal belief, you're forcing the hard work in that, but one has to come out first before the other starts playing the music. Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
So internally, I remember your email. I remember the passport.
Yeah. Thank you.
I remember your friends, what you told me. I remember everything. It's happening because at one level, you're looking for a hack. One small hack versus a holistic transformation. Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
So my question to you is, how much longer do you want to keep forcing two series together?
No, I want to get rid of this immediately.
Then here's my suggestion to you, my personal challenge to you. Your job today, this is my assignment, during the next break, whenever we have, your responsibility is to introduce yourself to everybody individually. That's your personal challenge.
Yes.
You go, you shake hand, you talk, you tell your name, and then tell me how it made you feel, how you felt. Let's start there. Are you up for this?
Sure.
Thank you for openness. Let's give it up for Soumya. Bye.
I'm sure Bishal Sarkar's course is going to help me in future, in my career, in my personal life, in public speaking, wherever I go. And even if it's a one-to-one person talking with any person, that is surely going to help me. This course is 100% practical, that is what I felt. And the way we are taught, that is practical, and where we are going to apply, that is also practical thing. So it is purely practical, and only thing you have to train yourself, the tips, and apply it in your daily life. I would suggest you please join this course. You will definitely get some positive improvement inside you. You will see the difference in confidence. See, I felt that, I experienced that. I was what I was before 1 month, and what I am now is definitely an improvement. Definitely I would suggest you please join.